Hey there, folks. This is 191 Super K Mobile's base station killless truck. Here's a little console I threw together for him here. We've got it in the truck. We wanted to show you how it fit. He ended up putting the Cobra 29 on top of it there. It's dark in here, so you gotta deal with me. I've got a drop light here. This here's from the passenger side. You can see how the amp sits there. We don't have the antenna on the truck yet. It's in the garage. I just turned the amp on just so you can see the light, so everything's lit up there. Move the light away.
All your power cables over here. Come over to this side, you need the ECI and the power cables.
So that's how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty decent in here. It fits in there nice.
Just right within hand's reach.
And 191, he's got the microphone right there in his hand.
There it is.
And he's got the Wilson mic hanger right there. Check this out.
I'm a little afraid to key it up right now.
Oh yeah, don't dare key it up.
We don't have any...
Look at that, just like a big rig right there, driving the big old F250 here.
Got all the heavy connectors.
Let me go take you guys to the other side. Go ahead, 191.
Got the heavy cables, connectors, mic amplified, mic booster, digital audio board in the comp tune. It should scream.
You know, when I upload this, it's going to focus it on your face, and that's going to be the screenshot. All right, let's get you over to the other side. All right, folks, here's the driver's side. We still got a little tidying up to do in the future back here, but you can see that right there is 2-gauge wire coming in, heavy-duty 2-gauge to 175 amp Anderson connector. There's the wiring going back to the amplifier there. Here's that device he runs there. It's basically a modulator. This right back here, this is a little controller off of a 12-volt fan for a car or truck. Got it at the truck stop. And he actually uses this because it acts as a variable, so he can tone this meter down, because this meter will blind you at night, and I'll show you that right now. It tones it down. Pretty smart idea to use it. So you can see it's all the way on right now, how bright it got. And when we run it back, it really tones it down. Plus you can turn it off. But here's how everything looks from this side here. We'll go ahead and show you under the hood. Stand by. Here it is with the lights off in the truck, just so you can see how it's going to look at night there. Closer up on that meter there. We had Jim put a dim LED on there. I think that's perfect, don't you?
Yeah,
it's not going to blind you, just let you know it's on.
It's just right.
Yeah, pretty cool setup in here. Okay, we're not all done under the hood yet, but for now, we're going to leave it. He'll come back another day and we'll finish up. Here's the wiring coming through the firewall there. You can see we used a factory rubber grommet right there on the F-150, or, you know, this is a 97 F-150 body, but it's a F-250. It's the weird 2 years where Ford was in transition. So it's F-150 body with F-250 running gear under it. But there we are coming out of the firewall right there. This here is his ground wire. The other one going this way is the positive wire. So we'll go under here and show you that. I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on the phone. Go down here. So we went ahead and grounded it right there. I mean, that's part of the chassis. That's a good ground point right there. So got a nut, bolt, couple washers, got it cranked down, sprayed some battery terminal protector on there. We took a wire brush to it first and made sure it was bare metal under there. So there's the ground right there. Okay, and then over here for now, like I said, this is going to change a little bit, but for now, here's this 2-gauge positive wire. Here's a 100 amp fuse. We'll see how this fuse goes. He'll know if he's going to need more in the future if it pops. Right. But all the heat shrink, it's the heavy-duty heat shrink with the adhesive on the walls. So it's going to keep any moisture out. You can see how that is. So here's the positive running here right to the battery lug. We went ahead and put new battery lugs on. You can see we put all new, we hydraulically crimped the terminals on there. So here's your positive, and then this is, we upgraded the main battery wire right here. Goes back here to the starter solenoid. factory ground for now. He hasn't upgraded the ground yet. That's going to be in the future. We'll put the same size ground or wire for a ground going to the chassis in the future. And the alternator wire there, that hasn't been upgraded. You can see right there, but we're going to upgrade that to the same wire, and we'll also do the engine chassis, the engine to the chassis in the future. But looking pretty good there. We're going to back it out. We're going to go ahead and put the antenna analyzer on it and make sure we get the antenna as good as we possibly can. And once that's done, we'll get in an open area and we're going to do some first test, and that'll be another video. Got anything to say, or you think this is a good place to end it?
I think it's going to be another 307 revving mobile. It's definitely going to get out, man. It's going to do a good job.
Yeah, guys, like I always mention, if you're looking for an amplifier, 307 amps, it's a no-brainer. #1 in customer service. All right, guys, we'll do another video for you. Thanks for watching.